Okay, here's a video related to ESET Internet Security. So let's go here to the up pointing arrow and double click on the ESET Internet Security version 11 icon. Okay, and let's see how to restore a file from the quarantine of this program. So the program automatically deleted some files, and let's see how to restore those files. So go here to Tools and More Tools. And here we have quarantine. Click on the quarantine, and these are the files which were automatically deleted by the program. So let's analyze the first one. It says it's on the C drive Premiere Pro 2018 folder. So open a file explorer, let's go to the C drive, and there is no Premiere Pro folder here. So let's just select that one and click on restore. And then yes, accept it. Then it will appear in this folder. Yes, here it is. Okay, so I just restored a file from the quarantine of ESET Internet Security, and it's back on the hard drive. Okay, if you don't like it, if it's really a virus, then you can right click on it and either delete it manually, or if you scan it with ESET, then it disappears. It has been cleaned, that is, it was deleted and moved into the quarantine. So Tools, More Tools, and Quarantine, and the file is back. Okay, so that's how to restore a file or move it back to the quarantine of ESET Internet Security version 11. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.